Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting muscle car revivals of the decade, the 2026 Dodge Super Bee. Dodge has brought back this legendary nameplate, blending classic American muscle with modern performance and cutting-edge technology. But does it stay true to its roots, or has Dodge taken a different approach? Let's find out. The 2026 Dodge Super Bee makes an aggressive statement right from the start. It retains the bold, wide-body stance that muscle car enthusiasts love, but with a modernized twist. The front fascia is dominated by a massive blacked-out grille, flanked by menacing LED headlights that give it an intimidating look. The signature Super Bee badging sits proudly on the hood, paying tribute to the classic model. Air vents and aerodynamic enhancements improve cooling and downforce, ensuring this beast is ready for both the streets and the track. The sculpted body lines, aggressive side skirts, and muscular rear haunches emphasize its high-performance capabilities. The rear end features a massive spoiler, redesigned LED taillights, and a set of dual exhaust tips that deliver an earth-shaking roar. Dodge offers several vibrant color options, including Plum Crazy Purple, Go Mango, and B5 Blue, ensuring that the Super Bee stands out wherever it goes. Step inside, and the 2026 Super Bee continues to impress. The interior is a perfect blend of classic muscle car elements and modern technology. The driver's seat-focused cockpit features premium Alcantara and leather upholstery accented by carbon fiber trim and Super Bee logos stitched into the seats. A massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster displays all vital performance metrics, while the 15-inch Uconnect touchscreen provides seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Dodge has also incorporated a flat bummer steering wheel with paddle shifters, giving drivers a race-inspired feel. The Super Bee comes with heavily bolstered performance seats designed for maximum comfort and support, whether you're on the highway or tearing up the track. Ambient lighting, a premium Harman Kardon sound system, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto add to the modern driving experience. Now let's talk about what makes this car a true Super Bee: performance. Under the hood, Dodge has unleashed a beastly powertrain. The base model comes with a 6.4L Hemi V8, producing a monstrous 505 horsepower and 480 lb-ft of torque. But for those craving even more power, Dodge offers a supercharged 6.2L Hellcat V8, cranking out an insane 800 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed automatic or a 6-speed manual transmission, the Super Bee launches from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.2 seconds, making it one of the fastest muscle cars on the road. Of course, all this performance and heritage come at a price. The 2026 Dodge Super Bee starts at around $65,000, 0 cents for the base V8 model, while the Hellcat variant pushes the price closer to $95,000, 0 cents. Fully loaded models with track-focused upgrades and carbon fiber enhancements can exceed $110,000, 0 cents. But for those who want raw American muscle with modern refinements, the Super Bee is worth every penny. So what do you think about the 2026 Dodge Super Bee? Is this the ultimate modern muscle car, or should Dodge have taken a different approach? Let us know in the comments. And if you love high-performance cars, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting content. Thanks for watching Car Look, and we'll see you in the next one.